Hello everyone, welcome to KWI on the Couch. Today we're talking with Noah. Noah, tell us who you are and where you're from.
My name's Noah Bowser. I'm from Pennsylvania, from Seven Valleys. It's bottom central of the state, kind of small town.
Yeah, I've been through Pennsylvania once or twice. Beautiful country up there, and a lot of good weld schools between here and there. Why'd you choose KWI?
Honestly, TikTok, the very first video I ever saw from here was the first ever female golden arm. And I was kind of like, wow, this is the first time I've seen a weld school talk about something different. That wasn't just, oh, hey, we certify. So I was interested in it, started looking at it, and wanted to know what I had to do to get something, an actual award, something to work towards.
Okay, so if you're familiar with golden arm, so tell us about it. What is golden arm and what did you have to do to get there?
It's a whole lot of hard work and coming in early. I knew that coming here, that getting my golden arm was just 7 certifications. It's going through your flux, your stick, your TIG, all your 6-inch pipe, 2-inch pipe, combo monsters, and so on, your stainless. For that was those first 3 monsters and that Schedule 10 stainless, and after that I just wanted to keep blowing past it and get more certifications because I figured there was really no end for how far I could go. I wasn't limited coming here.
And of those certifications, so we know your first 6 are sort of included in the program. Beyond that, what did those certifications cost you?
Nothing at all.
Really? Now, surely you're not going to come to a school and they're going to give you unlimited certifications like you just talked about at no extra cost.
No extra cost, nothing at all.
Okay, yeah, so that's right. So KWI has your back. We want to make sure that you get all the certifications you can muster up in the 6 months time that you have here and complete those in restriction rings and simulators, whatever's going to work out, to make you the best welder that you can be. So a little bit of your background. So you're former military?
Yes, sir. I worked on airplanes for 5 years, an inspector for 3 of those years, and then I worked on Osprey. So it's a whole lot of remove and replace metal work, hydraulics work, fabricating, baffles, whatever it may be. So I've pretty much worked with my hands my entire life. So that's why I chose to come here.
Yeah, so welding sort of fits right in with that. Dream job, if you could choose any company anywhere in the world, you have any ideas what that might be?
Honestly, I don't yet. I came here so new. I've never welded before, really new to the industry, and really I just want to travel and kind of figure it out as I go. Want to pipe weld, want to do shutdowns and boiler work is really the goal for now.
So that brings up a whole other concept. You're telling me you got all these certifications and you didn't have 4 years of vocational training in high school. You were a non-welder when you came here.
Non-welder. The only thing I think I might have picked up a MIG gun for a day. And that was about it. Everything was preset for me, and I'm sure it didn't look very good.
Okay, yeah. Well, when we all start off, it's not going to look real good. So tell me about that. How did you go from a non-welder to 14, 15 or more certifications in just a 6-month period? How did that happen?
I came here with the goal. I came here knowing every single day I told myself I have to come in early. I have to do this. I have to do that. And every single day I came in a minimum of 2 hours early until I finished the program and got the golden arm. So some days I pulled 12-hour shifts, 16-hour shifts, whatever it may be, and just kept working. I prepped as much stuff as I could. That way when I was welding, I could just weld. I wasn't bouncing between places. I set goals for myself.
Whenever you were talking about coming in early, I guess you were on second shift. So second shift is going to run from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you just freely come in at any time you want to during the day and just weld.
Absolutely. Even if there's not a booth open, I can still go outside. I can weld outside. I could go in the pipe lab, still prep metal. I can always do something no matter what.
Okay, so you get all the extra time that you can muster up while you're here. And you mentioned something else there. You said that when you completed the program, so does that mean you can work at your own pace as fast as you want?
Absolutely. I started here with Gabe Pfeiffer, and both of us were neck and neck for a while, and I think I finished the program in 4 months. I had 2 months left to get whatever certifications I wanted, as fast as you want, as quick as you want.
Well, that's awesome. So I guess if you're talking to a prospective student, someone who's weighing their options, should I go to KWI or should I go to some other place, what do you tell that prospective student to help ease their mind about coming here?
A lot of it's really up to you, the dedication that you're going to put into it. If you want to go somewhere and you can try as hard as you want, no matter what, you have first shift instructors, second shift instructors. No matter what, you can come in early. So if one thing's not working for you, you have options. You can keep going and spend as much time as you need to get there. Like, this is the place to do that.
Well, we appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to come
No
in and
problem.
chat with us today. You've been with Ashley Applegate and KWI on the Couch.